So today is another unboxing video. I just received a package from Amazon, and I've been waiting for this for about 3 days. So I just received it this afternoon. This is the package. It's delivered just now, and we'll see what's inside. So this came from Amazon, and let's see what's inside. Voila. Okay, that's it. That's what's inside the box. So since I hold the box, the box came from the postal service, so I need to make sure that I'm not contaminated with any kind of virus. So as usual, I'm going to put some sanitizing gel on my hands because I just hold the box. Okay. So what we got in here is it's a laptop cooler. Actually, there we go. Boiler. It's a lot. So I'm going to use this for my laptop. So okay, so put this aside. Let's see what's inside. Another one. Okay, so we have a USB here. USB to C cable 90 degrees. So this is angled. So it's like that. It's very convenient. So there's another one. This one is Cable Geeker, professional cable manufacturer. Okay. And next, you have this. Oh, this is just a filler. So it's just, yeah. Okay, so we'll just put this box aside and we'll deal with the stuff on the table. Okay, so we have this stuff on the table, so we can examine it a little bit more on in detail. So okay, should be easy like this, just using my finger. Okay, so this is one is okay, so wow, it's a gorgeous looking USB. So the thing I like about this is this one is angled. So what happen is it will just go to the side of the computer, and then this one will just if you connect it to the to my cell phone, it will not just be protruding on this direction. So it looks like I have a couple of them. It's about 2 pieces, one red, one black, and one red. This one, it's pretty nice looking. See, it's angled. So what I really like about this angled USB is because if you put it like this in a laptop, that one, so it's more convenient. It's not sticking to the side, at least it will go here, so you don't obstruct anything adjacent to the laptop. So that's what I like about this wire. So I have ordered it in Amazon. Okay, so that's for it for the wires. Now let's go to this one. Okay, so I have this cable. This is actually I'm going to use this for my connecting my laptop to my modem. So this is about 50 feet. So this is the good thing about cable is that your internet is more solid, unlike when you are using a Wi-Fi, because this Wi-Fi is a little bit more diluted signals. Whereas if the signal will just run into this cable, it will come from your modem into your computer a little bit more stronger. So I can use this one here. There you go. And this one will now go to my modem. So instead of running the internet like this with using the Wi-Fi, the problem with Wi-Fi is sometimes it's getting weak. So the best thing is to just use a cable and then plug this into your modem. So this makes your internet more faster and more reliable. Okay, so that's about it for the cable. Now let's go to the bigger one. Bigger one here. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so we have this. Okay, of course this is USB connector. This is the one you connect to your the USB of your laptop, and this one, the other side, is for this one. Ta-da! There you go. So it's pretty cool. So this is all the fans, everything that will call your computer. And the good thing about this is there's an adjustable side here wherein you can raise your laptop like this, like that. Yeah. Ta-da! yeah, so that's it. That's all that I have from this unboxing. uh, so I have this collar, laptop collar. I have this cable, USB cable for my cell phone to the computer, and I have this RG45 cable used for my connecting my laptop to my modem. Okay, so this is my current setup for this laptop. So what happened is sometimes when I open a lot of browsers simultaneously, this is heating up. This heats up easily. You can feel it here. You can feel it here. So it's very hot. So what happened is what I did is I put an external, this is a small electric fan at the back of the laptop. So with the new with the color that I just bought from Amazon, then I don't need this. I'm not going to use this anymore, because as you can see, it's just an ugly setup. Okay, so now I just put this laptop on top of this collar, and this is how it looks like. You can raise this laptop. You can adjust the elevation of this laptop. Do it like this. Okay, so now if you turn the lights off, then this is how you look like. The setup looks like. It's kind of colorful. And that's the same setup for my other laptop. Voila. It's pretty nice, eh? So that's the final setup. So that's pretty much about it, and thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to my next premiere videos.